Hello friends, I am Ankit Parekh. Welcome you to this video lecture. So we are moving towards the assignment of differentiation. In our previous lecture, we have seen all the possible formulas which we are going to use in physics for differentiation. So I have listed out few numericals and a few assignment based on the differentiation. Basically, we are going to solve three parallel assignments. First assignment is purely based on arithmetic equations, right? Differentiation of these. So let's start with first. Our basic formula for this: y is equals to x raised to n, then dy by dx, differentiation of y with respect to x is n x raised to n minus 1. I hope you people remember this. So now our first question is, okay, y is equals to x raised to minus 3. What is your dy by dx? Instead of this n, minus 3 is there, minus 3 x raised to minus 3 minus 1. Okay, minus 3 x raised to minus 4 is your answer. Finished. Now, second question. Okay, what is the second question? Y is equals to x. Very simple. Dy by dx is d of dx x raised to 1. If not a if power is not given, then it means the power is 1. Okay, sabka malik ek, koi na hoy tya 1 hoy. So differentiation is 1, x raised to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So 1. I hope you people remember this also, that differentiation of x is 1 with respect to x. Third question. Okay, third question is what? Y is equals to x raised to 7 by 2. So my differentiation will be dy by dx. Instead of n, 7 by 2 is there, 7 by 2 x raised to 7 by 2 minus 1. The answer is 7 by 2 x raised to 2 ones are 2, 7 minus 2, 5. 5 upon 2 is your answer. Okay, now moving to our fourth question. Is the fourth question. Y is equals to x raised to 5, x raised to 3, 4x raised to 1 by 2 plus 7. Addition rule, dy by dx. Differentiate each term separately. D by dx of x raised to 5, x raised to 3, 4x raised to 1 by 2 plus 7. What is the differentiation of x raised to 5? 5 x raised to 5 minus 1 plus this 3 3x raised to 3 minus 1, this 1 by 2, 4 will remain as it is because it is a constant, into 1 by 2, x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, and the only constant term, the lonely constant term whose differentiation will be 0. So the answer is 5 x raised to 4, 3 x raised to 2, 2 2s are 4, so 2 x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2. This will be your answer of fourth. So fifth question is similar question. Okay, I am giving you this question in homework. If you don't get the answer, right, please let me know in the comment section so I can help you in the next lecture. Okay, now sixth question. Sixth question is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are constant terms. Fine. So here is the solution of sixth question. Y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Differentiation of that with respect to x, dy by dx. Differentiation of these, d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c. See, a, d by dx of x square. Okay, now b is constant, so b, d by dx of x plus d by dx of c, constant term. Now this a as it is, differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of x is 1, so b as it is, and differentiation of constant term will become 0. So this is your answer, 2ax plus b. Okay, this is the answer of dy by dx. Chalo, next question. I suggest you people to solve by yourself first, then you play the video and then check your answer. Okay, so 7th question, y is equals to 3x raised to 5 minus 3x minus 1 upon x. Now pause the video and check your answer first, do it by yourself. Okay, now play. dy upon dx. I can write d by dx of 3x raised to 5 minus 3x, and this is 1 upon x. I can write x raised to minus 1 because here x raised to 1 only, so it is x raised to minus 1. Now differentiate this. 3 constant term outside, x raised to 5, differentiation of these term x raised to 5, it is 5 x raised to 5 minus 1, 5x raised to 4, negative sign, 3 constant term outside, differentiation of x which is 1, and minus this minus 1, x raised to minus 1 minus 1, instead of n here minus 1 was there, so your answer is 3 5s are 15, x raised to 4 minus 3, and this minus minus plus, x raised to minus 2, you can write 15x raised to 4 minus 3 plus 1 upon x raised to 2. This is your final answer of dy by dx in 7th question. Okay, write it down first if you are not done and check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, step by step. Fine. I'm removing this question. Now 8th question. 8th question is what? Y is equals to 5x raised to 4 plus 3 x raised to 5 by 9 minus 6x. Understood? See, these terms are 5 constant, 3 constant, 6 constant. I need to differentiate these terms. Understood the question? Okay. Now dy by dx. 5 as it is, x raised to 4, 4 x raised to 4 minus 1 plus 3 5 by 9 x raised to 5 by 9 minus 1. Whatever the power of x is given, consider it as n, and differentiation of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. So here instead of n, 5 by 9 was there, 5 by 9 x raised to 5 by 9 minus 1. 6 as it is because it's constant term, and differentiation of x is 1. Okay, 5 4s are 20, x cube, this 3 5 upon 9 x raised to 5 by 9 minus 1, 9 1s are 9, so minus 4 by 9 minus 6, 3 and 3 cut, 3 3s are 9, your answer is 20x cube plus 5x raised to minus 4 upon 9 minus 6. This is your answer. Okay, done. Write it down. Now next question. See, this 9th question you can do by 2 different methods. You will get the answer same, but with 2 different methods. First method, say y is equals to what? 9x cube minus 8x plus 7 into 3x raised to 5 plus 5. Okay, now you multiply each and every term like this. First, second, and third with third. So the simplified version of y, 9 3s are 27, x raised to 3, x raised to 5, x raised to 8, then this plus 9 5s are 45 x cube, then minus 8x into this, 8 3s are 24 minus x raised to 5, you can write x raised to 6, then 8 5s are minus 40, here minus 8 is there, and x, then the 7 3s are 21 x raised to 5, 7 5s are 35. So you can write the question in this manner: y is equals to 27 x raised to 8, then highest power is this 24 x raised to 6, then plus 21 x raised to 5, then this 45 x cube, then this minus 40x, and then only 35. Now differentiate this. Same method, dy by dx is 27 as it is, this is 8, x raised to 8 minus 7 minus 24 as it is into 6, x raised to 8 minus 1, 6 minus 1, then 21, this 5 multiply with this 5, x raised to 5 minus 4, then this 3 multiply with this 45 into 3, x raised to 3 minus 1, 5 minus 1. Now minus 40, differentiation of x is 1, and this 35, differentiation of constant term is 0. So your answer is 27 into 8, 6, 5, 16 plus 5, 21, x raised to 7, this 24 into 6, 144, x raised to 5, plus this 105, x raised to 4, 45 into 3, that is 135, okay, and x raised to 2 minus 40, done, plus 0 is 0. This is your final answer of dy by dx. It was a little bit lengthy question, right? Dy by dx is your answer. This was the first method. Now if you remember the product rule, we can write like this: d by dx of u into v is du by dx into v plus u into dv by dx. This is the second method by product rule. I'll rub this, okay. Now don't multiply all these things. Just consider the first bracket as u. The first bracket is your u and second bracket is v. This is u and this is v. And let's follow the equation, follow the differentiation formula by product rule. So differentiation of first, d by dx of this 9x cube minus 8x plus 7, and keep the second bracket as it is, then plus sign 9x cube minus 8x plus 7, the first bracket as it is, and differentiation of the second one, 3x is to 5 plus 5. So now differentiation of this, 3 9 3s are 27 x cube, so x square, 3 minus 1 is 2, 8 x 1 and 7 0 into 3x raised to 5 plus 5. Then this term plus the whole term as it is, 9x cube minus 8x plus 7 into this 3 as it is, 5, x raised to 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 0. See, I can write this 3 5s are 15 directly. Understood now? 5 into 3, 15. So, this 27 into 3 and x square and x raised to 5. Now you just do one thing, multiply all this, you will get your answer. Okay, multiply this to this plus this to this. The final answer will remain same. Okay, now right now I am not simplifying this just because of little bit laziness, nothing else. Right? You can do it by yourself. Chalo. 10th question. Now I am going to use the product rule. For me, that is easy. So first bracket, what is the first bracket? For 10th question, x minus 1, 2x plus 5. So this is your u, v. Substitute the value in that formula. dy by dx. Okay. d by dx of x minus 1 into 2x plus 5. Second term as it is plus x minus 1 as it is into d by dx of 2x plus 5. Okay. Chalo. X minus 1, differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. This bracket as it is, no differentiation is needed. Now x minus 1 as it is, and the differentiation of second bracket, this differentiation of 2x is 2 and 5 is constant term which is 0. So answer is there, 2x plus 5 plus this 2x minus 2. The answer is 4x minus 3 dy by dx. Okay, this is done with the use of product rule. So, shall I give you this 11th question in homework? Okay, same method which we did in the 10th and 9th question. Okay, use product rule. If you don't get the answer, please let me know in the comment box. I'll solve in the next lecture. Fine. Write it down this. Okay. So 12th question. In 12th question there are 3 sub questions are there. It is little bit lengthy question, but use of chain rule. What is chain rule? I have explained you in the previous lecture. If you have not seen the previous video, just go in the description, get the link, hit the link and revise that fast. So y is equals to 3 minus 4x square whole square. 3 minus 4x square whole square. So first of all, what you need to do, consider this as a bracket, whole bracket, this. Suppose y is equals to x square, then what you are going to do, the differentiation is dy by dx is 2x. All of you know this, right? Yes or no? Y is equals to x square, then differentiation of that is 2x. So I am not going to read whatever is written in the bracket. I'll just focus on these things, the bracket and its power. Okay, so now dy by dx will be d by dx of the bracket raised to 2. Okay, I'm not going to check whatever is written in the bracket. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of bracket square is 2 into bracket. Understood? Right? Differentiation of bracket square is 2 into bracket. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of bracket square is 2 into bracket. But what is there in the bracket? So that is 3 minus 4x square. 3 minus 4x square. Now into. What is chain rule? After doing this thing, let us jump into the bracket and differentiate the bracket. What is that? D by dx of 3 minus 4x square. Understood? Okay, this 2 into 3 minus 4x square as it is. Then differentiate this. Differentiation of 3 is 0 minus this 2 here. 4 2s are 8x. Your answer is 8 2s are 16 minus 16 x into 3 minus 4x square. So 48 minus x and minus plus 64 x square x cube is your answer. Okay, understood? This is called chain rule. Let me explain you again. Don't see whatever is given in the bracket. So bracket square, its differentiation is 2 into bracket. Okay, then jump into the bracket, that is called chain rule, and differentiate bracket, that 3 minus 4x square. So this is the differentiation of bracket square, and due to chain rule we need to apply this product of these two. You'll get your answer. Write it down first. Okay, now 12th only, the second question. This was first question. Okay, now the second question. I'll wrap this up. Chalo. What is the question? 6x square plus 5 raised to 3. Now don't see whatever is given in the bracket. You just let me know the answer of this. D by dx of x cube. Honestly, first differentiation of x cube is 3. X raised to 3 minus 1 will become 2. 3x square. Okay. Now y is equals to this cube. Dy by dx. Instead of x cube, bracket cube is there. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Differentiation of bracket cube is 3 bracket square. Okay, this is the complete differentiation of bracket. But according to chain rule, jump into the bracket, 6x square plus 5. So here 6x square plus 5. Differentiation अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. D by dx of 6x square plus 5. Understood? So the differentiation is this 3 6x square plus 5 square. 6x square, differentiation of this 6 into 2 12. X is to 2 minus 1 and constant term is 0. So your answer is 36x 6x square plus 5 whole square. If you want to simplify this, then expand this bracket and multiply 36 to it. But this is your answer. No need of further simplification. Okay, write down this. Next question, third. Y is equals to 3 plus x square in under root. Okay, this is your question. Now under root is what? 1 by 2 power under root is 1 by 2. So I can write 3 plus x square raised to 1 by 2. This is just your question. Now you let me know if y is equals to x raised to 1 by 2 is given. You shall write dy by dx is 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. So your answer will be 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Understood? I'll do the same. Dy by dx. This is bracket raised to 1 by 2. My answer is 1 by 2 into bracket 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay? Over. Differentiation over. Obviously no. into bracket, just write 3 plus x square, and chain rule, jump into the bracket, dy by dx of bracket. Done? Okay. 1 by 2, 3 plus x square raised to minus 1 by 2. Differentiation of 3, 0, and x square, 2x. Your answer is 1 by 2 into 2x, 3 plus x square raised to minus 1 by 2. This 2 and 2 cut. You can write x into 1 upon 3 plus x square raised to 1 by 2. Power of any bracket 1 by 2 is root. So your answer is 2 upon under root 3 plus x square. Okay? So easy questions. Fine. I hope you people are getting all these things. Okay, in physics, you need to solve this kind of differentiation in basically third chapter. The differentiation, use of differentiation, we are going to face in that particular chapter. So here are the questions for next lecture. I suggest you people do it by yourself with the use of division rule. Okay, in next lecture we are going to solve this question. The division rule is this, u upon v. Okay, so the answer is du by dx into v minus u into dv upon dx whole upon v square. Try it by yourself. In our next lecture we are going to solve all these questions. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.